Welcome back, everyone. In this section of the course, we're going to begin our understanding of artificial neural networks. Keep in mind, a large part of this section will at first focus on theory behind many of the ideas that we'll later implement with code in the second half of this section. Let's go ahead and just do a quick overview of how we're actually going to gradually build an understanding of artificial neural networks. So we're going to start off this section with a lot of theory lectures. That's basically just slides explaining the various concepts behind artificial neural networks. We're going to discuss how we can actually model a biological neuron as a mathematical perceptron model, and then how we can expand that perceptron model to a full neural network. And then we'll talk about specific theory topics behind neural networks and how they work. Things like activation functions, cost functions, how we can use a neural network to feed forward information and data points through the network, and then how we can adjust weights and biases in our network through backpropagation. After that, then we'll implement a lot of those ideas with code. We'll begin talking about things like PyTorch gradients, simple linear regression of PyTorch. We'll also discuss how we can use PyTorch to work with tabular data sets, and once we understand those three key concepts, we'll begin to work with full artificial neural networks with PyTorch. And we're going to focus on how to tackle both regression tasks and classification tasks, and those both fall under supervised learning. So really we'll be using artificial neural networks to perform a variety of supervised learning tasks after we understand the theory behind them. Okay, let's get started. I'll see you in the next couple of lectures where we're going to begin discussing theory.